gets illuminated. As the flow of current increases, the strength of the magnetic lens increases. The electron beam flow is designed such that it cannot pass through the glass lens. Application of electron microscope. Quality control and failure analysis in industry are done with the help of an electron microscope. The images obtained in an electron microscope can be captured as electron micrographs with the help of the specialized camera. The study of metals and crystal becomes easy with the introduction of an electron microscope. Now, what is stereo microscope? Stereo microscope is defined as a type of microscope that provides a three-dimensional view of a specimen. It is also known as dissecting microscope. In a stereo microscope, there are separate objective lenses and eyepiece such that there are two separate optical paths for each. Principle of stereo microscope. A stereo microscope works on the reflected light from the sample. The magnification of the microscope takes place at low power and hence it is suitable for magnifying opaque object. It is suitable for thick and solid sample because it uses light reflected from the sample. The magnification of the stereo microscope is between 20x and 50x. Now, what are the application of stereo microscope? Examination of historic coins and artifact is possible with the help of, in the case of the stereo microscope. It finds application in microsurgery, viewing of crystal. Scanning probe microscope. The scanning probe microscope is defined as a type of the microscope that defined application in industry where the examination of the specimen is done at nanoscale level. The study of the specimen property, its reaction time and its behavior when stimulated can be done with the help of a scanning probe microscope. What is the principle of the scanning probe microscope? The scanning probe microscope has a probe tip that is mounted at the end of the cantilever. The tip is so sharp that it can move precisely and accurately across the surface of the sample, scanning every atom. The tip is placed close to the surface of the sample such that the cantilever experiences a deflection due to forces. This deflection distance is measured by the laser. The final image after scanning is obtained on the computer. Application of scanning probe microscope. It is used in studying different properties of the sample such as electrical properties. The magnetic properties of the sample is studied using the microscope.